Hey guys, what's up? So remember this video when I mentioned I am going to start reselling new clothes on eBay, Poshmark, Vinted, Depop, and Mercari. So yeah, I am happy to report that I made my first sale, my first sale on Depop. Let me show you. Here she is. Here she is. It's gonna be sent out today via USPS, the postal office. I'm going to mail it today. So let me show you the process first. I got an email from Depop on July 3rd, and because Independence Day was being observed on July 3rd, the post office was closed. Post office was also closed on July 4th, obviously, and so I couldn't mail it. Today is July 5th, and she's going to be mailed. So, yeah. First thing first, let me show you the email that I got out of nowhere, and I was so surprised and happy. So, here's the email. Yay! Okay, wait. So here's the email. Obviously, this is the QR code that I'm going to present to the post office, and they will print the label. So this piece of clothing is used. It was mine, and I listed on Depop and Depop. Yeah, only Depop. Okay, so let me show you my Depop. So here it is. So this is my Depop store, right? As you can see, I have a few. This is all mine. Nothing was sourced from anywhere. And so here she is. Here she is. There it is. This is the one that sold on July 3rd. So, yeah. Very happy, very happy. It is my first ever sale, and I know it's just one, but everybody starts from somewhere, right? Most people do. Obviously, you start from the first one. I can't wait to have more sales, and I know I will. But man, when you get that first one, it is so great. It's so amazing, and so I am very grateful. I'm very happy. I'm gonna mail it today, and I can't wait to get more sales. So yeah, so that's my Depot store, and I'm gonna quickly show you my eBay because I also have my eBay store set up, and here it is. I do not have that many listings here. I only have 5, and right, okay. So now, and I'm gonna show you Vinted. I also have my store. I have a few items here too. So so here is my Vinted. As you can see, I have a few items here. When it comes to Vinted, it is very easy to list your items. Very easy. When it comes to eBay, it's a lot more you have to do. And it takes me longer to list on eBay. But Vinted, quick, fast. One of these days, I'm going to make a video about that in case anybody wants to learn. When it comes to Depop is also very fast. The process is barely anything. eBay takes a little longer. Later on, when I have more pieces listed on eBay, what I'm going to try to do is meet this AI cross listing. I believe it's called Nifty. I'm not quite sure yet. I hear a lot of resellers talking about it, and so I am going to try to get that later on when I have more to sell or more to list, and then cross list to my other accounts. But yeah, guys, I am very happy. I hope I can inspire at least one person to start reselling on these platforms. My plan, my goal is to retire in the next 10, 11 years. And so starting right now is the right time for me. I work from home and I usually list before I clock in and after. And also I also list during the weekend. And so, yeah, I am very happy. I really hope I can inspire someone to do this process. It's amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. And I hope I can sell more items in the next few days, next few weeks. It is okay if it's slow right now. It is okay. It's gonna get better, and I know it's gonna get better. I trust the process. I am educating myself on how to do product research. And so if you are a reseller, what type of tools do you use? Can you please list it in the comments? Please list it in the comments if you use any type of tools. Right now, what I'm using is Google Lens, and I am also researching on the same eBay app. I think it's might be one of the best research tools in my opinion, since everything is already there. You can see how many you can see active listings, and you can also see sold. And so I'm trying to look for items that are active, obviously, and also sold within the last 90 days. That tells me that it is moving, that it moves, that it sells. And so that's my method to my product research right now. But if you have another way, an easier way, a faster way, please drop it in the comments and let me know. And please, please, please subscribe. I need to get this account to 1,000 followers. Please subscribe and hit the notification button and like this video, and you can also share it so other people can see it is possible, guys. It is possible. Everything is possible if you commit yourself to doing something that you love. I mean, you have to love it. You have to like it first. That's the first thing first. Once you love it, that's it. The sky is the limit. Day by day, give her a few hours, day by day. Treat this as a business. Treat this as a business, not as a hobby. Okay? Do not do something today and forget it and leave it there and forget it. No. 1 to 2 hours per day before you clock in or after you clock out, weekends. If you are not listing, if you are not finding clothing, if you are not sourcing, learn methods. Do product research. Learn how to do product research. There are so many ways to learn, and then start. Start. As you saw in that video, I said it. I said I was going to start doing it, and my first item sold. So she's going to be sent to the post office later on, and and I'm very happy. I just don't have words to describe how happy I am. My first listing, my first sold item is going to be on the way to this person that bought it, and I thank God for it. And so, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I kind of rambled a little bit too much. I kind of went a little bit too much, but I'm happy. So one item, and so I can't wait. I'm gonna let you know my other items once they sold. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one.